Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween themed video, I'll be showing you how to draw a zombie version of Tralalero Tralala. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie Tralalero Tralala, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Then underneath it, I'm just going to make this line that's just going to go up and then curve back for like a little bag under the eye. Starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve up to about here. And then let's make a line that's just going to kind of curve down to here. For the mouth, let's bring this line back. Then we're going to bring it forward a little bit. Then let's just draw a line to about here to shape out the mouth. Let's put a few pointed teeth in here, and let's leave some spaces in between here so it kind of looks like he might be missing a few. You can draw a little dot up here for the nose. Then right here, let's make a line that's just going to go down and up, and then down and up. Then we can make some bumps in here so it looks like his brain is showing. We'll draw a little line here. Then we'll curve this line up for his fin. We'll bring it down and then put a couple little bumps in here so it looks like there's a piece missing. And then we'll bring this down. Next, we'll continue this line down here. And then we're going to make a little bump here. And then we'll bring it a little bit farther down. We'll make this line come up and then down for the top of his tail. Then we'll make a couple little bumps here and bring it up so it looks like he's missing part of his tail. Now for the legs, let's draw a line that's going to come down. Let's make a little zigzag line and then we're going to bring this back up. We're going to make two little lines down for like a bone. Then we're going to make the shoe. So let's draw a little smiley face. Then we'll draw a line that's just going to curve around here. We'll bring this line down to here. We'll bring it up and down and then back up like this. Then we'll just make the bottom of the shoe. We can put about 3 little bumps on here for some laces. Let's do the other one over here. We're just going to come down. We're going to go over and we're going to come up and make a couple little bumps in here. We'll make a little curve here. Make a little line that's going to come down and then bring it back here. And let's just draw a line for the back. We'll make a line across for the bottom. And a couple little bumps for the laces. Now, let's bring this line over. And then let's make some big bumps in here so it looks like he's really missing a big chunk. We'll make this line come over, and then we'll draw this line down, over, and we'll come up here. We'll make that little curve for the top of the shoe. We'll bring this line down, and then come back here. We'll draw the bottom, and then a couple bumps for laces again. Then let's go ahead and connect the tail. Now let's add some fun details in here. So let's go ahead and give him the gills. So we're going to draw 3 little lines coming down for gills. Let's make a little line or two right around the eye. We'll put a little curve line back here by the mouth. And then we can make a little squiggle for some drool. Let's make like a bumpy line in here. And then let's make a little wiggly shape right inside of here. Then let's put a couple more of those little wiggly shapes right around here. We can even put some on the legs. I like to add some little dots in here just to kind of make it look like he's missing part of his skin there. Then we can always go and put like some hashtag marks on a few spots, just to kind of make it look like he's really beat up and dirty. Then we can even put like some little spots and some hashtag marks onto our shoes as well. And then let's go ahead and add a couple lines and with some lines across for like some stitches. Even put one on the face too. And there you go, there's your drawing of a zombie Tralalero Tralala. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.